Love this little thing. I want that. I don't sell feet picks because they're ugly.
Look.
So what's up, peoples? Welcome back to the videos. Welcome back to the channel. We are going to be taking the wheels off the Fiat and putting them on the Mini because we are driving the car to Wexford down to ciaran, Mr. Stent, and the Mini is getting bodywork for a car show that we're going to be doing the end of next month. Also, reasoning for changing the wheels. These have immaculate tyres. The tyres on the Mini have cracks in them and I'm not driving them down a motorway. It's pretty dangerous, so I do need new tyres for the Mini, but these will be on the Mini for the meantime. And yeah, let's go get this done. So we have the jack, 2 axle stands, 2 axle stands. So let's get the wheels off this right now. So wheels are off the Fiat, one here, one at the back, one over there and one here. We're going to get them out onto the Mini right now. Ratio, let's get these wheels on the Mini now. Now wheels are on the car. So for anyone calling me a bitch or a pussy, driving tyres like these on a motorway would be bad because higher speeds build up heat in tyres. These would expand and I'm not messing, they would explode. You can see the crack all the way down and it's all the way around, so those tyres are absolutely toast. So just, they're good tyres but they're cracked and they're no good, so we're going to run these for a while. I'm going to get new tyres for these for the show, hopefully get these wheels cleaned up and ready to go on the car. We also have an inner CV boot ripped, so we're going to have to replace that as well. But yeah, I'm going to get the car started, top up fluids, check everything before the drive and head on our way down to ciaran down in Wexford and get this car painted and ready for the show. So yeah, let's go. Now we are in car on the way to Halfords, get some fuses for the wife's car and then coffee and then Wexford. Let's go. Now my Halford shop is done. 30 amp fuse for that bad boy. Wiper stopped working, fuse is under the bonnet. Just going to change that really quick now, grab a coffee and we'll make our way to Wexford. Now back in the car, all fueled up, coffee. There's Martin's coming down with me, he's going to bring me home. So let's get to a garage, get some petrol in this bad boy and head on our way. Right, so we are fueled up on the way. Let's make a move. It's a 1 hour drive. Let's go. Yeah, there's the good L300. And the little Subi. I'm just gonna pull in here and give him a shout. So the good old Mini made it. Never doubted it. I've doubted it before. But yeah, issue with the fuel pump, I don't know what it is. Every now and then it just doesn't work, so I'm gonna have to chase some gremlins with the wires. But yeah, we're here. Gonna give ciaran a knock. And yeah, then we'll head back to Dublin and we'll come back when this is done. Good old Marty, absolute legend, coming down to bring me home. Love this little thing, it's pretty sweet. Bed lining is really cool. I want that. I see an LSI red Civic and the CRX that he's going to be doing. Oh, GT Turbo, nice. So yeah, this LSI here, I wonder what he's doing with this because I'd really like it to do another another K-swap. I wouldn't mind doing another K-swap, it'd be pretty cool. What do we think in the comments? Do we K-swap another Civic for a track car maybe? Or do we just make a nice Civic for a daily? We shall see. Looking at this 300. I think it needs a big spoiler. Like the one Aaron put on his, but the kit is really cool. It's nice and wide. It's lovely. The wheels look great. Really nice car. Aaron done a great job on the paint, I have to say. But yeah, this is the interior. Got one of my parents. The leather seats in front and back. Expensive, but we get it one day. Clean it all up. Yeah. Lovely car. So we're just talking through the plan with the Mini. So we have this front wing to do, the door and the rear of the boot lid. So there's a few bits to do, and we're just going to head in here and have a look at Ciaran's engine bay in his EP. As you can see, it's all splatter painted. He has his front subframe in and he's ready for all the arms and the knuckles with the front hubs, and he has all his rear hub assembly done. Looks sweet as a nut. The tunnel inside is pretty sweet, pretty cool car. Be nice when it's done. He has a few other projects in here that he hasn't unveiled yet, but yeah, we're leaving the Mini here with Ciaran to get the work done. So head over to Ciaran's Instagram and his TikTok and his YouTube channel to keep up to date with what he's doing with the Mini. So that's the Mini left there with Ciaran. He's going to do all this week. Next week.
Yeah, the week coming or whatever. It's going to piss about it.
Yeah, just look, it doesn't need much. It'll get done.
Doesn't need much, just a few tubs of filler.
A few tubs of filler. Yeah. Toothpaste.
Yeah, toothpaste and a bit of 40 grit sandpaper.
40 grit sand. You'll need 40 grit sandpaper for this here, because that's yeah, cheese graterish.
Lads, just believe you, lads as well. Just because you're on the channel and Jamie's down here at the minute. Did you get a look at the 300 on the camera?
We did indeed.
There's the 300, lads, right? And this was at Cool Nights and all, and you might have seen it had the few bits of rivets showing through and all that on the sides. And we still have the problem 3 or 4 times later, so you're getting first hand on Jamie's channel of me sanding down a bit of the 300 for the show.
That hurts to watch that.
It does, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Fresh paint, like, and I'm having a problem. Oh, lads.
It'll be all fixed, nice and fresh for Jap Fest on the 25th of April, isn't it?
25th, is it?
25th, 26th of April, I'm sure.
Yes, it is.
The Saturday and Sunday.
Yeah.
So Ciaran will have this car there, along with probably some others.
Hopefully the Mini, maybe.
Maybe the Mini, hopefully, but I'll be in Dusseldorf.
I tell you, it does work.
But,
You'll be in Dusseldorf.
I'll be in Dusseldorf with Martin. Ciaran will be at Jap Fest, and I might get the Mini down to Jap Fest as well. Even though I won't be here, but yeah, he's fixing these rivet dimples here that are showing up in the paint. It's so weird because there's no rivets in it now. He's done it twice, and this is the 3rd time it's getting done. And fourth time lucky. I thought it's 3rd time lucky now. 4th time lucky. It'll be good, and you'll see it at Jap Fest in 3 weeks. Jap Fest is 3 weeks. 2 weeks. 2 weeks. 2 weeks. Two and a bit weeks. 2.5 weeks.
2 weeks today. 2 weeks today.
2 weeks today, is it?
Yeah, we'll be standing in Jap Fest at Mandela at this stage.
So you best get the finger out.
Yeah. There's not much left on it, like it's just a case of put the side bits on pieces, sand them down.
Get the quarter panels painted,
washed and polished.
Few bits and pieces, and then he just needs to do the boot lid on this.
And
door.
put a wheel stud on down as well, because there's only.
I have a nut. I just didn't put it on lightweight. I needed to get down here faster. So yeah, it's just.
With the amount of stickers, I thought I would have added.
And there's your sticker as well. Look.
I see it. There was one there. Faded.
Fell off and faded. But yeah, we're going to do something special with the wheels as well. We're going to change that up. These are staying on the Mini now because I like them so much. And the alley cats can go back on the Fiat. Also, the Fiat needs to come down.
That's the truth.
The Fiat needs paint.
We've been talking about that for
a long time. It's sitting on axle stands right now as we talk.
It's fucking finally nice to have one of your cars here.
Yeah, that's it. Bit rusty though, so this is all getting fixed, painted, and you'll see all the updates on Ciaran's Instagram and his TikTok, and head over to his YouTube as well. You'll see bits and pieces on that as well. But
Mr. Stent too.
Mr. Stent too. I'll put it in the description down below. We'll get this Mini cleaned up, and I'll be able to use it then, not just leave it sitting in the garden rotting away. So yeah, appreciate it, Ciaran.
Let's go, lads.
Let's go.
Like, share, and subscribe.
Like, share, subscribe. I don't sell feet pics because they're ugly, but yeah, let's get this done.
Let's go, lads.
You scratched it. Oh.
Fuck you.
Before I get the ciaran back over this.
Martin needed a wee. Ciaran's in his little Subaru, and we're jumping into the wagon, and we're gonna head home. So yeah, peace out. Be dedicated. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace. So weird coming back seeing the Mini not there. Bye, Marty. Bye. Yep, back now. Time to get on to other things. So yeah, peace out.
Yo.
Look. Still wanna be Tony Pablo. Top boy on speed like that though. Niggas all love hitting these back roads. This ain't a movie, this ain't no damn show. I got boys in Belfast, Glasgow, and a few yank toys like Asbro. In a place around here that can't go. He was a Sublik, well known sham bro.